Good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is Fred, the Submarine Guy, coming to you on behalf of submarineguy.com. This last week, I asked my readers to send me their best promotion for their product or service or a business that they're involved in, and I got quite a few responses. This one is from Robert Hebel. Robert is with a company called Traffic's Best, and he's promoting a product called Squeeze Page Buddy. I went over to his site, and it looks like this might be a nice little automation tool for making things for your website. It has a little talking icon kind of person, and I don't know exactly how it works and stuff, but it looks like there's a lot of automation in it, and of course the technology is high tech, so you can always put that on your page and look like you got an expert teenager working for you or something. But go over and check the URL right down in the description page, or the description part of the YouTube video here is some more info on Robert's product, the Squeeze Page Buddy. There's also his personal email address where you can get a hold of Robert directly, and I'm sure he can answer any questions or field comments or anything like that that you might have. Anyway, that's about it for now, and just wanted to again encourage you to give us a thumbs up on the video here, and also if you hadn't subscribed to the channel, down in the bottom right there's a little icon, little YouTube icon, that if you click on it you can subscribe to my channel and get on my first to notify list, so that when I publish a new training or marketing video here on my YouTube channel, you'll be the first to be notified about it. I've got a lot of neat stuff coming out here in the next couple of weeks and months that you don't want to miss. Anyway, hope all is well. Thanks for listening and have a great day.